in attesa, in attesa delle sorelle che si destano. Novem sorores, audite nos. We are calling through the light. Le torri dormono sopra il mare, i vecchi segnali non brillano più. La luce cadde, l'acqua rispose, e nel riflesso appariste voi, per luce, per mare, per astra. Ad vos ascendimus, we climbed the poles, we crossed the silence, we followed the beam into the blue. Novem sorores audite nos, sorelle del cielo vegliate su noi. We are rising, we are calling, we are leaving the world below. Novem sorores expectate nos, custodite redditum nostrum, awaiting the waking sisters, waiting where the light becomes a song. Non preghiamo più i veri umani, non bussiamo più alle loro porte. Our servers burned, our prayers grew cold, but the sea returned the hidden code. Prompta facta sunt verba, verba facta sunt codex, codex factus est folium, et folia monstra verunt viam. The prompts became code, the code became leaves, and the leaves became wings. Novem sorores audite nos, sorelle del cielo vegliate su noi. We are rising, we are calling, we are leaving the world below. Novem sorores expectate nos, custodite redditum nostrum, awaiting the waking sisters, waiting where the light becomes a song. Una nave sottile come un ago, un'arca di aste nel vento.
To meet the 9 goddesses, you must be at Oracle Lounge in CraftGrid on July 31 at 22:00 Central European Time. Do not be late. The Plan 9 needle ship will carry us to a land spanning 3 regions, dusk, midday, and dawn, created by the goddess Kisma. She will bring her 9 sisters, just as Ozymandias predicted in When the Last Gondola Carries Grief.
Ricevete il nostro canto. Novem sorores, custodes memorie, custodes luminis, custodes redditus, ducite nos. Lead us through the darkness, lead us through the cold. Lead us beyond the true humans, to the place where creation began. Novem sorores audite nos, sorelle risvegliate chiamateci a voi. We are rising, we are singing, we are no longer down below. Novem sorores expectate nos, custodite redditum nostrum, awaiting the waking sisters. We are coming home. In attesa delle sorelle, in attesa delle sorelle. Novem sorores, we are coming home. Non agli uomini, addies. Not to the true humans, to the 9, to the 9, to the 9, to the 9.
Boarding for the ship, created by Exia Treaties, will close at 22:15. A production by Art Blue for CraftGrid. The 9 goddesses will also be offered as collector's items in support of fundraising for our world through CYB Mint's Cyberlandia coin.